हालीच मंत्रीपदाचो सोपूत घेतिल्ल्या अलेक्सिओचो जल्म 1957 वर्सा केनियात जाला। मायपाय गोंयांत जल्माक आयिल्ल्या कारणान ताचे कडेन भारतीय नागरिकत्व आसा। पूण 1961च्या मायपायच्या डॉक्युमेंटाच्या आधाराचेर सिक्वेरान 27 मार्च 2001 वर्सा आपलो जल्म पोर्तुगालान नोंद केला असो दावो मिकी पाशकोन केला। पोर्तुगालाचो पासपोर्ट मेळचे पयलीं जल्म नोंदणी केल्ल्या कारणान 144 गोंयकारांचे भारतीय पासपोर्ट रद्द केल्यात। देखून हेर गोंयकारांप्रमाण सिक्वेराचोय भारतीय पासपोर्ट रद्द करचो अशें मिकीचें म्हणणें। हे विशीं ताणें खंय पासपोर्ट अधिकाऱ्यांकूय पुराव्या सयत पत्र बरयलां। ताचेर 15 दिसां भितर कारवाय जाली ना जाल्यार हांव फुडलें पावल उबारतलो अशी शिटकावणी मिकीन दिल्या।
By inducting a foreign national in a cabinet, a month long, probably 140 passport has been revoked of Goan, whose birth registered central register of Lisbon, just because their birth registered in Lisbon, their passport been revoked. Now the once your birth is registered in Lisbon, Portugal, that country give you a number. It's called Asin de Nascimento. That is the number. So once that number given, that is mentioned, that is confirmed that you are citizen of that country, and that country is considered that you are citizen. So those 140 odd Goan passport being revoked, my request was the same. Why high profile person passport not revoked, who is in Goa government? Foreigner cannot be in Goa government. He is a foreigner. Now my request to the passport officer, before the passport officer, that those 140 passports been revoked, same way his passport should also revoke. That is my demand. If not, return those 140 passports back. Okay, and they should not harass the common people who intend to go to Portugal. That is my request. I had given 15 days time for the passport officer to act on it. Otherwise, I will act.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीवी।